All right. So this is a math question that one of my friends came up with. And I'm going to read it to you, and then we're going to try to figure it out.
What's a ratio?
A ratio? It's like 2 to 1. There's 3 pencils, right?
Yes.
Okay. If I take 2 pencils, there's now 1 pencil to 2 pencils. Okay? Or if you have 1, now you have 2 out of the 3. Okay? So, let's see. How about you read it, and then we're going to talk about it, okay? Go ahead.
Working in the bakery. There's a new baker in town, and he is really excited to open his brand new bakery. Little did he know that the town was filled with citizens who loved baked goods. He ran out of donuts, cupcakes, and cookies in 1 hour. He realized that he would have to do things differently the next day. He knows that it takes 30 minutes to make 24 donuts, 1 hour to make and decorate 48 cupcakes, and 15 minutes to make 2 dozens of cookies.
Okay.
If he only had 45 minutes to bake cookies, how many cookies would he be able to make?
Okay, so how do you think you would be able to figure this out?
I know that a dozen is 12,
Okay, very good.
and 2 dozens is 24,
Okay.
and then,
So he has 45 minutes.
yes.
So how long does it take him to do, how do you think you could figure out how many he can make?
I could keep on adding 24 until I get to 45.
You could. That's very true. But what is, 1 doesn't have anything to do with the 45 minutes.
I don't know.
All right, look. This is our ratio table, and this is where that ratio is going to come into play. So we know from the text that it takes him 15 minutes to make 2 dozen cookies. Okay? And we know 2 dozen is how many cookies?
24.
Okay, so 15 minutes to make 24 cookies. So if it takes him 15 minutes to make 24 cookies, how many cookies do you think he can make in 30 minutes?
48.
Yeah, probably. Here, you want to write that down for me? All right, so if he makes 48 cookies in 30 minutes, we need to still know how many he can make in 45 minutes, though. So now what do you do?
Add 24 to 48.
Why?
Wait.
You're right. I just want to know how you got there.
Because here, if you add 15 to 15, you get 30.
Mhm.
And here I added 24 to 24 to get 48.
That's right. See, look, I'm going to show you. This is how I would do it. I would start by making a clock, okay?
Why a clock? Oh, 30
I'll show
minutes.
you. Yeah. So this is the 12, this is 15, 30, 45. Okay.
60.
So, yes, technically 60. That's 60 minutes. I'll do that for you. Okay, so this is 60 minutes. So I know in this 15 minutes of time, he can make 15 cookies. Which means in this 15 minutes of time,
What?
he
You
can make
15 cookies?
Oh,
Thought he
no,
could
I'm
make
sorry,
24.
15 minutes. 24, you're right. Okay, so 24 cookies in this 15 minutes. So in this 15 minutes, he can make how many more?
24 more.
24 more. And then another 15.
24.
24. So now what we could do is we could add these cookies that he made in this time, these cookies, and these cookies. And what do you get?
52.
Mm-mm.
Oh. 72.
Very good. So you can write 72 there.
That's a lot of cookies.
Do you remember your multiplication facts like we talked about?
Yeah.
Do you think you could use multiplication to figure this out?
Yes.
How would you use that?
24 times 2 or 24 times 3.
Very good. 24 times 3. And watch. 24 times 3. First, what do we do?
Multiply these two.
Which is?
12.
Okay. And what is this?
6.
Plus?
7.
See? 72. 72. Pretty cool, huh? All right, good job.